This week, I invite you to ride along in what is quite possibly the best sports sedan that I have ever tested. And I've driven all of them over the past 25 years. And no, it's not from Germany. This is the CT5-V Blackwing, baby. And if you consider yourself a driver, this is the Cadillac of your dreams. I remember being at the New York Auto Show 4 years ago when Cadillac revealed the CT6-V, debuting the new Blackwing Twin Turbo V8. Mysteriously, that car lasted only 2 model years, and the 4.2-liter Blackwing engine was a one and done. Flash ahead to 2022, and this car is the new Cadillac flagship sedan, priced from near $87,000, packing a souped-up Corvette engine, and yes, a manual transmission. With 659 pound-feet of torque and a 0 to 60 time as quick as 3.4 seconds, this is the most powerful and fastest production car Cadillac has ever made, and it's sensational. There's not one part of this car that Cadillac got wrong. Well, perhaps with the exception of its penchant for premium gas at 13 mpg city and its associated $2,100 gas guzzler tax. It's sexy, yet elegantly understated, pulls at all of the driver's heartstrings, and is mid-size spacious with luxury in spades. Cars packing 668 horsepower almost never come with a stick shift anymore, but here it is. A short-throw 6-speed, race-heavy clutch pedal combo that's so good it would be almost criminal to opt for the 10-speed auto. With a 0 to 60 time of 3.6 seconds, when it's not wet and raining, the manual isn't quite as quick as the automatic, nor can you spec it with all-wheel drive. And at 15 mpg combined, it's also not quite as fuel efficient. But the CT5-V is a car you want with 3 pedals. It's easy to drive with torque for days and gives you personalized control over this hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 and its intoxicating exhaust score. The system also provides a rev match feature which can be activated for true performance enhancement or simply to show off. And with this one, you can keep your foot in it while changing gears with no lift shift. Staggered with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires developed exclusively for Blackwing are top-shelf summer rubber, but even they struggle at times to come to grips with all of this power on wet pavement. And if you ever drive this car on a racetrack, and you should, because a 2-day V Performance Academy session is included with your Blackwing purchase at Spring Mountain Motor Resort in Nevada, an awesome track I've driven several times, this knob here controls traction management with 5 settings of wheel slip intervention, from full on to full off. Launch control is reserved for the automatic model. There's a customizable V mode for one-button access to your favorite setup, which spans everything from engine sound to brake feel. And yes, there's a stealth mode for the neighborhood. And one of the key components to the CT5-V's success is magnetic ride control, an adaptive suspension system that accommodates everyday driving while also connecting the driver with the road. It's a technical highlight of any GM model that offers it. So while this Blackwing is stiff and pulled tight in every direction, a sensation that's palatable as soon as you sit down, it's not prohibitive. So highway travel and trips with friends are just as reasonable as race day. And this car in particular is ready for the latter, with the optional $9,000 carbon ceramic brake package, the $4,100 carbon fiber package, and the performance data recorder, which shoots 1080p video with personalized overlays and captures in-car audio on an SD card for later viewing. Whatever superlatives you use to describe a sports car that satisfies in every way can be heaped on here. And this is a pretty big car that can easily accommodate 4 adults, yet it continues to amaze me with each passing day. Now, first off, the stick shift is to die for. The clutch pedal does require the requisite effort you would expect from a track-capable car, yet with the pinpoint engagement and all of this torque on tap, you can easily drive this car around all day at sane speeds and never leave 4th gear. The MRC dampers take the edge off the super stiff body. It's very well planted, yet you can steer it with your right foot. The carbon ceramic brakes, everyday friendly with that immediate stopping power. And the sounds coming from this V8 are nothing short of heavenly. Combine all of those things with these sport seats with touring level comfort, and the only thing left to worry about is how to pay for the gas. And with a 17-gallon tank, the driving range is a minuscule 255 miles. The customizable head-up display allows you to keep your eyes on the road, and these awesome-looking full leather sports seats with carbon fiber seat backs are just right for a sports sedan and not nearly as suffocating as the equivalent seats in the BMW M5 CS. Another amazing car of this ilk. And GM knows how to make even a complicated car like this very easy to use. The excellent touchscreen with wireless phone projection and its simplistic layout is the anchor of a cabin rich in features, including a rear camera mirror, surround view camera, reconfigurable driver display, cooled and heated seats with lumbar massage, and an AKG 15-speaker audio system, a premium brand introduced on the Escalade. Because this one has the manual, it doesn't have adaptive cruise control or enhanced automatic braking, but it does have the safety alert seat which vibrates when danger lurks. And though it's quite a bit smaller than the departed CT6 Blackwing, the rear seats are legit, with the UltraView sunroof overhead. As it sits, with options and other charges, MSRP is $112,265. That's over $30,000 less than the aforementioned Bimmer I tested last summer, and this car, with rear-wheel drive and a stick shift, is one that drivers will likely find more engaging. I know I do. Though its little brother, the CT5-V Blackwing, is more spirited and juvenile in its drive, tons of fun, this one gives you more of everything in a full-fledged wrapper. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.